I've I've never done that
Look
before.
sad.
No, I'm just happy. Hi, Paris.
Hi.
Where are you going?
Cinema.
Come on. Come on, because we are running late as usual.
And you know what, guys? I know what the day is today.
What day is it today?
Saturday.
Saturday, yes. Hi guys, it is currently 1 o'clock ng hapon and Ati Paris and I are rushing, so we are on our way to the cinema. Oh my god, I'm so excited, my goodness. So
That's what movie we're gonna watch.
yeah, at Paris and I will watch The Little Mermaid, and this is so special, guys. Naiiyak ako kasi Daddy Mike bukas these cinema tickets for today, and because you know why? Like I never had like a quality like one-on-one time with at Paris since I had Celine. Kasi alam niyo naman, guys, sobrang busy ng mami niyo. You know, always Celine is always with me like 24/8, and now today this afternoon.
If it is the cinema I went.
Yeah, okay.
I forgot.
Oh my god, yung luha ko, guys. Sobrang excited ko. Kasi, yeah, we will watch movie together. I remember, you know, Nap, when you were like a baby,
Yeah.
I took you to the cinema in Melbourne,
I love
and you were like, no, do you know? You were like 4 months old. And, you know, 5 years later, and here I am, and at Paris, watching movie together again. And doon kami pupunta. Ayan, dyan. That's where we're going. Hawthorne Cinema Complex. Think so. Okay, we'll cross the road.
I'll try it.
Is this where you went with Lola Karen?
I don't know.
Okay. Let's go, because we still have to get popcorn. Oh, you can get ice cream.
Oh, yeah, I want ice cream. I want ice cream.
You want ice cream?
And I want those two.
Popcorn as well. Okay, Mama will get popcorn and drink.
Slurpee.
I'll get the drink
Yeah.
and the popcorn, and you can get the ice cream, okay?
Okay.
You excited? So that's the Little Mermaid. 1:15 pala yung start, pero 1:05. Okay, go. Hello. Oh my god, I'm super excited. You got no idea, guys.
Why does it have that thing?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we can probably get that one. Large popcorn, a soft drink, and a chocolate. Yeah, okay, we'll grab that one.
Yay.
Are you excited? Tingnan niyo, may pakukukuku pa ang wakwak na ito. You crazy girl.
I want a nice nail.
Yes, I know.
Down here, only fish is happy as off through the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy.
Did you enjoy it?
Cause they're in the bowl. But fish in the bowl is lucky.
Kakatapos lang, guys, ng movie. Did you like it, honey? Huh?
And you know what, guys? Sometimes I feel nervous on stairs.
On stairs,
Ah!
yes. Pababa pa lang kami. And as you can see, ayan, namumugto ang mata ni Mami.
Because I feel like I'm gonna. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna. If there was like a little tiny scratch where it's down, and I just slipped down there.
Yeah, I know. Have a look at that face, so very dirty from the ice cream. Come on. So we are walking back to our car now, guys. How was the experience, honey? Good? Tinatanong ako ni Paris, guys, like, oh, did you have fun watching it with me?
When I was watching.
Hi. Did you have a good time with Mommy watching?
Yes, and this was my glasses.
Her face is very messy from the
Ice cream.
ice cream.
Mama.
Hope Mama will hold.
Hang on a minute.
Okay. That's not the normal glasses, honey. Like the normal sunnies.
I can still see.
Can you? You look cool. I was crying when I was in there. You know what? What? I'm not crying because of the movie. Yeah, the movie was great, but I was crying because it's very special for Mama. You get no idea, guys, kung gaano ka-special sa akin ng moment na to. I'm very happy I did it with you. Are you?
Yeah.
Are you happy too?
Yeah.
That's good. Come on, let's go.
Hey guys, look at so super.
Can you see, Anak? It's very cloudy. It's cloudy and you got your sunnies on. So we're back in the car. Open.
I want some. We're about gonna have 8, 7.
We'll wipe your face. Okay. There you go.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, sweetheart. So yeah, just this whole experience, like, it might not sound very special, you know, because like it's just watching a movie, but para sa akin,
Why you
guys,
give me a
sobrang
weapon?
sobrang special kasi I got to spend like time with Paris, even though, you know, it's only for 2 hours and 15 minutes. But yeah, I was very happy I was able to do it. So very thankful ako kay Daddy Mike because siya talaga yung nag-push na, siya talaga yung nag-book ng ticket because alam niya na kapag ako parang hindi ko na hindi ko na bibigyan ng time na parang ang dami kong ginagawa, hindi ko na, yeah, I actually need that time with Paris. And as mentioned before, the last time I was out with Paris alone, like yung kaming dalawa lang, was she was 4 months old. Like I took her to cinema. Hindi pa man siya nanonood noon. Kasi she was still too little.
Is this was your dream last night that you spent time with me? Yes. What?
Yeah. So I was crying the whole time I was watching. At the same time, I was like looking at Paris, and there was a time na nandun kami sa loob, and she gave me a kiss, like gumaganon siya, and I thought she wanted like a drink, so I gave her the drink, but she was actually doing that kasi gusto niya akong i-kiss. So, did you kiss Mama?
Yeah. After cinema. And but I was gonna have some drink.
Yeah. Did you enjoy your time with me?
Yeah. I couldn't even see your eyes. It was too dark in there.
Yeah, I know. It's very dark. So now, gotta check my phone because nung umalis kami kanina, Celine was sleeping. So for sure she's awake now. I'm wondering kung anong ginagawa nila ni Daddy Mike. Wipe your face lang, me. Very, So it just made me realize, guys, na, you know, you really need to, you know, find time to do all this stuff. Siguro naiyak din ako kasi simula nung pinanganak ko si Paris and I had Celine, hindi na ako nakagawa ng mga bagay na ganyan. Kasi kung kita nyo naman, always kung saan ako pumunta, nandun yung mga kids. Like never ever nalayo sa akin yung mga kids ko. Like not even one night. Wow, nung pinanganak ko si baby Celine, I had to leave Ate Paris with kanyang lola. But that's about it. Like, you know, not doing things para sarili ko, yung mga labas-labas na ganyan. I've never done that before.
Sad.
No, I'm just happy. I'm just telling Tita and Tito that this is very special. Because I never done it with you before. And parang naisip ko na, oh my God, like little things like this. It's very, you know, very important. lang makeup natin eh. Nawala na. Nga kasi nga, yung mga ano, si Baby Celine, hindi yan siya nalayo talaga sa akin na. Kung alam nyo lang, hindi yan siya na ano, every single day of their lives. Nandyan ako, guys. Kaya, hindi ako maalis. Yung mga ganun, gusto ko. Nandyan lang sila palagi sa, ano, sa tabi ko. Kaya, it's also, you know, one thing na kailangan kong parang i-apply ngayon na parang i-practice ko ba na it's not bad naman na you do something, you know, for yourself. I have this ticket. Yung ticket namin. Ayan. So, I'm going to keep this kasi special. Alaala namin to. Nanood kami ni Ate Paris ng movie together. Okay, so now back to normal. Yeah, I think Celine is awake now.
Yeah.
So now we're just gonna go home. Oh, they're out. Look, Daddy Mike just sent me a photo of Celine.
Can I see?
They're out having sushi.
Look at that one.
Oh, yeah.
That means Celine right away now.
Yeah, of course. She's awake now. See? I'm just gonna call Daddy. But yeah, I'm super thankful to Daddy kasi ano talaga siya na i-organize to sa amin ni Ate Paris. And also kasi nasa point na kami ngayon na he can look after baby Celine. Before kasi Celine like daddy. I'm still breastfeeding Celine but kumakain na naman siya. Like, you know, from ilang buwan pa siya kumakain na siya. But for now, yun bang kaya na ni Daddy Mike na parang wala ako. Kasi si Celine before, she's very like, you know, suki. And, yeah. But now, kaya na ni Daddy Mike. Kaya na ng powers ni Daddy Mike na wala ako. And, you know, and he also, sabi niya sa akin din na he really wanted to spend like quality time with Celine as well. Nandito kami ngayon sa Kmart. Hindi pa kami nakauwi. So, Daddy Mike decided na ayaw niyang sumama. So, he's still with Celine. Kami lang dalawa niya, Ate Paris. Dito kami sa Kmart kasi it's ayan na naman ang kaibigan ni Ate Paris. Kami nakita sa Ate Paris na friend niya from Kindi. What's her name, honey?
Laura.
We're so excited to see each other, guys.
Mine.
Okay, so
Mine.
yes, which one?
Before there was a girl here.
Have a look here. That one? That looks nice. So it's Paris's friend from Prep's birthday tomorrow, Sandy. And sabi ni Ate Paris, mga ano daw, coloring or
I think for her.
yeah. This one, we'll get this one. This is cute.
That's our first one. We will get our last one.
Okay, so this one is
Only
nice.
one, mommy. Look, they're lighting up.
Which one?
There's a lighting up pen.
Oh, hang on, that one.
That blue and red.
I don't think so. It's invisible ink spy pens. That's interesting. We'll see.
Mommy, did I light up? Are you
It says invisible pen, honey. I don't know what it does. Invisible means hindi mo makita. So, ngayon kami bibili kasi birthday mag-start bukas ng 10.
Mom, do they
So,
have our rice on there?
yeah, it's eraser. I think that one is eraser. Look. Yeah, that one. Do you think Tandy will like this? We'll have a look around. There might be something else.
Mommy,
Yes.
I also have the paper.
Yes, paper in the back. Turn that around. This one. The one you're holding. There it is.
I didn't see that.
I think gusto rin niyang bumili para sa sarili niya eh. Who's that for?
Candy. I'm just feeling like it's my birthday and you've got this.
Come on, we still have to get like a paper
Oh my
birthday
god, I like this.
bag. Which one? Oh, the Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, I'm buying
That's
it.
cute.
I like this more. I can't reach it.
Come on, did you?
I can't reach it.
Yes, you can.
It's okay, I'll try my best. There we go.
Okay. I can't wait to see Celine. Are you excited to see Celine now?
What is this?
Ate, are you excited to see Celine?
Yes.
Nag-text si Daddy Mike, sabi niya, Celine is starting to
Mommy?
look for Mama now.
Mommy?
Yes, Ate.
What is that?
It's certificate of classification.
Why did we get certificate for? Why did we get certificate for?
It's for the house, honey.
Oh, because because our house was clean.
Yes.
Is that why?
The house is clean, kaya may certificate. Ayan, yung pamili lang.
And this is the thing that's new. Yeah.
Oh, we'll see Celine's reaction. I love you. I miss you very much. Oh, shush, Gary. Gary's run away. I think you did a dung dung. I can smell. I can smell. Did she do a dung dung, Nare? Oh, is that a card? What's that card for? Mom? Where's Mama be? Where's Mama? I miss you. I miss you. Oh,
Mommy.
is Mommy here now? Are you happy Mommy is here?
We bought three,
Daddy? How was your time with Daddy?
Mommy, can I show stuff?
Amada.
Hi, can we show stuff?
Okay, hang on. Amada. Mwah. Tell Daddy about the movie. Tell Daddy about the movie. Dash.
Mommy.
My shorts lang ka, Mama. Come down. Come down.
Was it a good movie?
Huh?
Was it good?
Yeah, it's very good.
Was that on my cinema?
I didn't realize that it's 3D. Yeah, I need to wear the glass, the sun. And I've got this thing. I just put it over. Oh, sure. Baby, sure, Celine hers as well.
Was it a movie?
Yeah, it's really good.
Was it a good cinema?
It's just a normal cinema. Nothing fancy. Look. Oh, Daddy Bear. What did you say?
Look,
Say
Katie.
thank you, Ate.
We got this one for
Show
baby.
Tita and Tito, Be. Show Tita and Tito. Show them your teddy bear.
Let's go fast.
Oh, whoa. Baby, open, Mama. Open. Look, touch it. Touch it. Look, it's so soft. Open.
Okay, ready?
Ay, palang ka makanan ni Mama, eh.
Wow.
Oh, we need the,
This one.
we need the, dari ka na. This. Where did you go with Daddy? Huh? Where did you go with Daddy? Did you have sushi? Ati.
We didn't get to go. We didn't go to do much because sleep.
Okay, take the wrap off. Okay, take the
She's
wrap
up?
off.
Oh. Mama will open, okay, for you.
I'm gonna get the scissors.
Squeeze toy.
I don't know where. Celine woke up and then I was like, Celine woke up and then I was like, I want to give her a cuddle. Yeah. I gave her a cuddle and she's bloody fallen asleep for another hour and a half
Really, Leanie?
on Daddy's arm.
Well, what time are you going to bed tonight then?
but you got them.
This is very tricky.
Oh.
Hirap naman itong i-open, eh. Oh, did you take your socks off as well? Hang on. No, wait, Daddy. Try to cut this.
Daddy. 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 My bag dinner.
Oh, my body.
Sorry, Daddy.
What did you do, Ate?
I accidentally stepped on Daddy's foot. I scared.
Ah, look who, guess who Paris
Daddy.
seen that came out?
Hey.
Laura.
Laura, look at the photo.
I see Laura there.
Oh, look at friend Laura.
Yes.
Laura.
Laura, look!
It's a Laura.
Ayan,
Laura.
take ako ng picture nila.
Laura.
Oh, diba? Yan yung namit niya kanina.
Laura.
Pang candy.
Daddy. Daddy.
What I
There.
Yeah, of course. Ay naman niya. Mama, open na rin.
Oi. Stop.
This is very hard indeed. Oh, see, babe? Does it work like this lang? Oh, yeah, yeah. Huh?
The bottom of the fucking broken.
Show! Show! Dito! Wow! Bear! Say bear!
Daddy, give me my dog.
Alright.
Ito yung binili namin regalo for classmate friend na si Paris for tomorrow. Ito yung binili namin birthday bag. Tapos ito. Ayan. Kung girl na girl talaga. And then, Ate Paris just wanted to put ayan, surprise egg. Yan. And then, after that, may pinick up ako guys, which is this earring. Ayan. So, this is brand new na ano lang, VCA inspired lang siya guys ha. Ito siya. Pero, totoong 18 karat gold siya. Yung nagbebenta ay yung Pinay din siya guys. So, pinuntahan namin kasi hindi naman malayo. And then sabi ko, since wala si Baby Celine kasama ko, ayan, sobrang liit niya. It's only, 10 millimeters. So, pink yung kanyang kulay.
Mommy,
Super cute.
be right.
Yes, honey. Tinanggal ko kasi yung akin, guys, yung bato ba. Kasi, nabibigatan yung tenga ko and nagkasugat-sugat siya. So, this one is super, super light. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's 1.44 grams lang. So, ayan, super, lang niya sa tenga. Very light. Ayan yung sa kabila. Ayan. So nice. Okay, what would you like? Ayan. Si Ate Paris na yung gumawa ng card niya. Sabi niya siya lang daw yung gagawa instead of magbili. So, it's more special na kapag ikaw ang gumawa na. What would you like me to write?
Dear,
Tingnan mo.
my dear.
Dear.
Do I-
Is this
do I
pink as
hear-
well na? We can't use pink on pink na. Okay? That's fine. Dear.
Candy.
I
Hope
hope
you
you
have
have
the
the
best
best
birthday
birthday
in
in
the world.
world. Do you want to write the happy birthday in the bottom?
Happy birthday from Paris.
Yeah, of course.
Happy.
Birthday from Paris.
What do I have to start with? Do I have to do that?
Yeah, the H. It's fine?
Oops.
Yeah, now the ink. Don't touch it straight away.
Will I draw it by myself?
Yeah. That's fine. Okay, next.
Happy? Is it A?
Hi, Nini! Wait, what's in the map? Ay, kuy, nagkaong papel ng paan eh. Give it to Mama.
What is that?
Paper. As always.
Mommy? Mommy? What kind of paper is that?
Cardboard. Mataan eh.
Mommy? Mommy?
Yes.
H-A-Y? P-P?
Yeah. PPY. Yeah, my squishy bear. Napaliguan ko na guys kasi kanina, naku, Diyos ko Lord. Niligo niya ang Nutella. Tapos, kung nakita nyo lang, hindi ko na na-vlog. Yung isang kilong asin, ay, nilapag niya lahat sa sahig guys. Binakyum ko na lang yung iba. What are you doing? This is your squishy bear. You are my squishy bear. You are my squishy bear. Show me your squishy bear. Wow. Squishy bear. Do you love your squishy bear? Huh? Do you love it?
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, did Mama buy it for you?
Miss Mama.
Ba.
Tata.
Are you happy?
Yeah, happy.
Happy. And what is your name?
Nene.
Lini. And how old are you, Lini?
Ryan.
1. Good girl. You're nearly 2, you know that? Nearly 2 in August. He'll be my mama's big kid. Ay! I love you, anak. Hey, Josh, Bob hands. Are you excited for your birthday? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Well, actually, we're going to a birthday party tomorrow.
Right now.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you gonna sing happy birthday to Sandy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nene, Daddy.
Yeah, I know.
This Daddy.
Daddy, where is Daddy?
Mama.
In the lunchroom?
I statue.
What is Daddy doing?
Statue.
Is he watching TV?
He was.
Watch?
Grandma.
Yeah. How about Ate? Where is Ate?
Right now.
How about we call Ate?
No.
Can we call Ate?
No.
Why not? Why not? Call Ate na.
No.
Why not? Ate!
No.
Ay, siya nung. Talam na mo.
No. Mommy. This is Mama.
Mama. Alam nyo guys, si Daddy Mike kanina, aalis sana siya. Pupunta siya ng mag-grocery ba. Sabi ko, wag ka munang umalis. Kasi, I'm feeling alam niyo yung, remember last time, sinabi ko sa inyo kung ano yung nangyari sa kapatid ko, yung bunso namin guys. Yun bang nagnam yung katawan, yung mukha, ganun. And I think nasa, talaga namin, nasa dugo pa. Kasi, sometimes like I feel like yung mukha ko guys, nagnanam siya ba? Pati yung dito sa bibig ko. Parang yung pins and needles. And nothing else naman guys, yun lang yung nararamdaman ko. So, parang natatakot ako ba kasi just in case may mangyari na kunod. Wala naman sana. But ayokong maano yung mga bata pa. Sabi ko, Daddy Mike, huwag ka munang umalis. Meron pa naman tayong dito for dinner. So, nagluto na lang ako ng chicken. Nilagay ko sa air fryer. And yeah. So, yun, hindi na umalis sa Daddy Mike. Oh my God, kaya ginaganon-ganon ko ang aking mukha. Oh. I don't know. Ewan ko kung ano yung dahilan. na ganyan. Tapos na ko guys, natatakot na ako kasi alam nyo naman na yun, nangyari nga sa kapatid ko yung ganun, di ba? So, ginagawin ko ang aking lips pa ma-feel ko. Meron naman siya, hindi naman siya totally numb talaga. But alam niyo yung tingling sensation, ganun, sa mukha ko. Anyways, I hope this is nothing. Nakpa? Nagdididi na ang ating baby. Uy! So, actually, it's past her bedtime now kasi 8:30 na. Normally kasi, 8 o'clock tulog na to siya. But then, sa nasabi ko na nga kanina, nung umalis kami na Ate Paris for movie, pinadede ko to siya natulog. Tapos, nung pagising na sana siya, sabi ng daddy niya, kinadol daw siya ng daddy niya. Natulog daw guys. Natulog balik for another hour daw. O sana Kaya late to siyang matutulog ngayon kasi mahaba yung kanyang tulog kanina. But yeah, I really had a good time with Ate Paris today sa movie. And I'm very happy kasi, you know, this is something na like it's a precious moment. It's a memory na parang maalala ng anak ko when she grows up. You know, we had this time mag-watch ng movie together, ganun. And it's something na special rin sa kanya when she remembers her childhood. It's very important, guys. Diba, anak? Huh? So yeah, I think that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. Hope that you give this a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye guys. Mwah.